Yeah. All right, everyone. So I have an announcement, but before I get into that announcement, I just wanted to say two things. Number one, thank you so much for all the love and the support during my International Food Week. It was a journey to do all of that filming, which is part of the reason for this announcement. And number two, thank you for the love and support in general. I mean, I'm kind of excited, because this year I actually hit 2 100s. I had my 100th video, which I realized I didn't make a big deal about, and I had my 100th subscriber. I'm over 100 now, but I've had at least my 100th subscriber this year. So I hit both of those milestones this year, which was really cool. So thank you guys so much for all the love, all the support, for subscribing, watching all my videos, sharing them, liking them, commenting, whatever you do. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's been wonderful. Now, as far as my announcement, this week I realized that it's been a lot for me. I know I don't show it or anything like that, but I just have felt super drained and kind of burned out. So I'm going to take a brief hiatus. It's not going to be too long, but I just want to take a hiatus, just kind of relax, chill. I'm also going to try to take the time to do some recipe testing, take some suggestions from people. I was thinking maybe starting keto, I don't know, go to the pool, go to the beach, do things that just relax a little bit. So that's just all going on in my brain right now. But yeah, I'm just going to take a brief hiatus. So there's not going to be any videos. I'm thinking from this next Thursday, which I think is the 19th or 18th or something around there, until I probably won't start. I'll start to post a new video the first week of September. So all of August, I'm not going to have anything, but I'm definitely going to take this time to kind of come up with some ideas, do some recipe testing. So that way, when I come for September, I can come hard and I can come strong and I can be ready for you guys. I'll be rested up and everything. So I'm a little excited. I'm happy to have a chance to just kind of not worry about too many things all at once. So that is my plan. That's my announcement, and my plan for the time being. So again, thank you so much for all the love, all the support. I mean, plus I have over 100 videos on my channel, so you've got a lot of content you can go back and watch. I have a bunch of, the copycat recipes, which are always fun to film. I have all sorts of holiday recipes. I have all the international food recipes that you can catch up on, 3-ingredient recipes. You have a lot of content you guys could definitely go back and watch. And you can definitely comment, share, get other people to subscribe, whatever you want to do in that time being. But I'm just going to take some time off just for myself. Yeah, that's pretty much just it that I wanted to say. So again, thank you guys so much for all the love, all the support. Keep it coming. If you have any ideas for recipes that you want me to try in the future, I know some people have given me some stuff already, so I definitely want to try to work on those, so I can definitely get some of those ideas out for you guys. I've had a bunch of ideas come in. I'm coming up with ideas in my brains for ridiculously interesting videos. So there's that. So yeah. So again, thank you guys for all the love, all the support, and I will catch you back here for more deliciousness in September.